COVID-19.
COVID-19. COVID-19.
COVID-19.
This is World War coronavirus, World War C.
If this continues, there's no resources in the world that'll be enough to deal with this.
Wash your hands.
New Mexico had 191 cases.
I would love to have the country opened up and just raring to go by Easter.
Grim milestone. The U.S. death toll passes 10,000.
President Trump is extending his social distancing guidelines to April 30th as the coronavirus continues to spread.
Today I'm instructing my administration to halt funding of the World Health Organization.
Isolation can feel like hunger to the brain. Loneliness and hunger can trigger the same signals in the human brain.
I've got to get out of here, but I can't. I'll get some flowers to plant.
Dr. Anthony Fauci said the U.S. could eventually see millions of cases and between 100,000 and 200,000 deaths.
There is a concern over a national shortage of medical supplies.
Once-a-week burials have turned into a 5-day operation.
Dairy farmers in Pennsylvania are pouring milk down the drain, while others stand by helplessly as their crops rot in the field.
Reopening the country is not up to you because you did not have the balls to shut the country down in the first place.
The number of people losing jobs is increasing. 3.8 million Americans applied for unemployment benefits last week. The number of weekly filings is slowing down from the historic 6.9 million at the end of March. But the total for 6 weeks of job losses is now more than 30 million. There are now more than 1 million confirmed cases of the virus here in the U.S., though new research suggests the actual number of infections could be significantly higher. Brings the total number of cases to 1,345. Johns Hopkins recently published a national plan for contact tracing in the U.S.
Dr. Anthony Fauci, CDC Director Dr. Robert Redfield, and FDA Commissioner Stephen Hahn have gone into quarantine. But neither the president nor the vice president are self-isolating.
Nearly 100 new cases and 2 more deaths were announced by the Navajo Nation officials over the weekend.
In Fort Worth, Texas, around 600 gathered at a park when shots rang out.
During the governor's latest news conference, she said a possible reopen on Friday would rely on the data and social distancing behaviors of all New Mexicans.